Yeah, decided I'm going to take this off. It's one of my things is rainwater. I really dislike every car that comes into my workshop, even if it comes in for a light bulb for the headlight or something like that. I always clean or blow off with an air line. You know, like below the wipers, all that, because it's a nightmare for a mechanic. If the water gets in and there's some weird fault going on, I just want to reduce it, so at least my customer base has a fighting chance of having a high success rate in the future for no electrical gremlin problems. Dropped a screw there. Bit tight here with this big car. Wish I had a bigger shop, but that's what happens. Oh yeah, there you go. Let's move that out of the way. Just let that dangle down. Look at that. That's something I don't like. Look at that mud there. You know? So, move my coffee out of the way. Always just using probably the wrong stuff, but just a general cleaner is better than nothing. Clean there. Oh yeah, when the rainwater gets in there, because these lights are second hand, they're like €400. So I just don't want any water build up in and around this area. I'll do it on all cars once it's off. I always do this, but wouldn't even say especially on this car. Back on. Just lift it up. Got these little. What I always do is get all the screws started. And you've got a pattern. There's like a mark left on the plastic. I always try and line it up how it originally was on there. I mean, this car was a barn find. Phaeton, it seems a shame. Let's tighten some screws down.